Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So, if you are working with data in Python, visualization is key. It helps you understand patterns, trends and insights in a way that raw numbers just can't. So in this video, I am going to show you 6 essential charts you can create using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Two of us Python's most powerful library for visual storytelling. So let's start this video. So the first chart is line chart. So firstly, we imported Matplotlib as pyplot, which is a plotting module. And then x and y. Here x is our independent variable like time or steps, and y is the value we are tracking like sales or temperature or anything else. And plt.plot draws a line graph, and at last plt.show displays the chart. So let's see its output. So as you can see, a simple line plot. So you can use line charts to show progress or trends over time. And the second one is bar chart. So we'll create this bar chart for comparing categories. So here we uses categories like programming languages on the x-axis, and on the y-axis we have marked its value. Values like votes or counts go on the y-axis. So plt.bar creates the bars and color makes it pop. So here we have used color as sky blue. And plt.show displays the plot. So let's see its output. So as you can see, a simple bar chart. So this is great for comparing different groups side by side. So let's move on to the third one. So the third one is pie charts. So pie chart shows how each part contributes to a whole. So here labels name each slice and sizes define how big they are. And plt.pie creates a pie chart. Label is equals to label sets each label carefully, and AutoPCT shows percentage values right on the chart. And at last plt.show displays the plot. So let's see its output. So here you can see a beautiful pie chart. So use this when you want to visualize shares or portions. So next let's move on to the fourth number. So the fourth one is scatter plot. So for this we have imported numpy as np and then np.random. Here this generates 20 random numbers for x and y is equals to np.random. This generates 20 random numbers for y. And plt.scatter plots each x and y pair as a dot and we have set its color to purple. And at last plt.show displays the plot. So let's see its output now. So here we can see a scatter plot which is perfect for statistical analysis or pattern detection. So now let's move on to the fifth number. So the fifth number is histogram. For this we'll define firstly the data. So last but not the least is heat map, which is matrix like data. So for this we are importing Seaborn as SNS. So heat map displays 2D data with color and here we have kept the data. So here SNS.heatmap creates a heat map where CMap is cool warm that adds a gradient form cool blue or warm red color and anode is equals to true. This adds the actual value inside the cells. And as usual plt.show displays the plot. So let's see its output. So here you can see a heat map which is best used in coloration matrix, scores or any table style data. So these were 6 essential charts in Python, each just a few lines of code. By learning how to plot these, you are unlocking the power of visual data storytelling, which is a huge advantage whether you are working in business, science or machine learning. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss the next one. So thanks for watching today's video.